The topic we will now discuss is the future of the modern family, or the problems which are being confronted by the modern family in the modern era. Now, we have already discussed the concept and the characteristics of modern family. We have discussed that there is more democracy, there is more freedom, there is lack of social control of the modern family among its members, and there is participation in decision making of the house by all the members of the family. Now, what will be the future of such a family, which is the modern family? What can be the problems which can be faced by this kind of family? So, the first problem which we can see today, which is very common among the families, is that the husband and wife, the newly married couples, are not able to adjust well in the family, in the modern family. Now, the reason is quite obvious that the women are equally qualified or equally educated, and they demand more freedom. They want to be treated as equals in all spheres of life with the husband. But uh, there is also a situation that husbands are not well prepared for such kind of behavior, or fulfilling such kind of expectation of their wives. So this contradiction between the thoughts and between the expectations often creates the problem of adjustment between the husband and wife. So this might lead to problems in the relationship between them. Then other problem which we can see is that there is problem in sexual adjustment as well. People have gone very far saying that uh, that sexual having variety of sex or variety of sexual relationships is not only desirable, but it's the necessity of the hour. In present or in today's context, the sex values of the society have changed, or the sex values within the family has changed, and now people attach more importance to the sexual gratification. And when it's not fulfilled, or when it's not giving the not fulfilling the desire, or not giving the pleasure, then it often leads to fights between husband and wife, which also creates conflicts in the family. Then there is problem of broken marriage, which is increasing day by day. We can see that husband and wife both are working, and when the wife returns back at house, she is very much tired and feels that she is not able to give much time to the husband as well as the children, and because of which again conflicts and clashes in the family. And there are divorce laws have also become very flexible, or they are very easy in our country. So it often this maladjustment or conflict often leads the marital couples to take or seek divorce. Then uh, marriages based on romantic love or love marriages are increasing day by day. Before marriage, the two couple do not have any responsibilities and have a lot of expectations from each other. And when they get married and enter into a life of responsibilities, so there is shattering of their dreams, and whatever expectations of theirs, if are not fulfilled, again it leads to fights, and again it might take them to a broken marriage. Then there is laxity in family control. The control which the family had in the earlier times over its members have uh, become loose in the present. At present, you can say that uh, the parents are now no more regarded as a symbol of fear, or they are no more dictators or dictating or commanding their children. The children, whether it may be men, women, or we can say the boy or the girl, they want to follow their own course, and they consider any advice or suggestion from their parents as an interference in their life. So this loosening of the control of the family has, uh, we can say, disorganized the family, or led to the disorganization of the values, or disintegration, depreciation of the values of the society. So there is this laxity of family control is again becoming a problem for the stability and for the strengthening of society. Then there are conflicts and stripes in the family, because everyone wants to follow his own course of action, and nobody is listening to the other person. So there are frustrations, there are conflicts, there are stripes in the family. And then we can also see that it has led to lower birth rate. Women don't want to give birth to children because they don't have time for their upbringing. Then there are reasons like taking more contraceptives and enjoying the marital life. So these have led to the lowering down of the birth rate in the society. So these are the various problems which are being witnessed and which will be seen in the future to come in the family.